Morning, guys. Look at that. I need a haircut. I got a little bit angry at the camera yesterday because of what other people do. And but take it with a grain of salt. I shouldn't do that, but whatever. Let's see. What else I got to tell you? Transmission is out of my service truck. It's only got 380,000 miles on it. I think this is the second one in there. So that's pretty good odds. It's not out. We got to take it. I got to get the welder off tomorrow morning, and when the guys are here, we got to get it down to my buddy who's going to look at it. And by that, I'm going to suck down a little bit more of the coffee. See, the orange light is on. It's ready to go, and go from there. Okay. That's about it. So following this, you're going to see me torching or doing something, and that's the way it is. And thanks for watching. As always, subscribe. I don't know, click the like button and go from there. Just on fire patrol now. Gotta sit down and wait. What do you think of my white leopard skin hat? Hey, I made a corporate decision. I did. In order for me to do the job right, I'm cutting everything that somebody else did off. So, that being said, I had that parked outside, and you just saw me do a little carbon arc. So I got a good start today anyways. She's cracking and popping, and things are letting go. I don't know if you can see the joints there opening up. I don't have a lot of rods because I didn't expect to be working on Saturday and Sunday this week. I guess I'm just not prepared. That's the truth of the matter. But I made a corporate decision. That's right, I did. That's right. Everything's coming off. Every weld that last pot liquor made on here is coming out. Because I can't trust anything from seeing what I'm seeing. You feel underneath these. He never went full pen. You can feel the crack. They just lay the crap over the top. No wonder, don't hold it. What have I been teaching you guys? Anyways, God. And then hopefully after I get these off here tomorrow and get the side plates off and get all the welds, it's going to be 3-4 hours or 5 hours of freaking cutting. Don't you know? Cutting. We're going to cut. Carbon arcing. And then I'm going to get this puppy straight and I'm going to fix it right. Because that's what I do. I fix things right. I'm a ventriloquist too. Did you know that? Yeah. Hey, did you know that? I'm a ventriloquist too. Helps having a mustache. Excuse me. So it's dinner time now. Time for me to quit. I'm just gonna, like I said, sit here. Make sure I don't have any fires. There's a lot of debris down here. Pierre Debris. You know that guy? So actually what I've been told by one of my viewers is, oh, look at the garbage in there. That debris is French. I don't know if it's true or not. I didn't look it up. So anyways, yeah, we're supposed to get snow again tomorrow. I guess, like I said, we've been lucky. January. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna make an episode, little, even though I'm under the gun on this one, under the gun, I'm gonna try to make some videos of it and how it works and how I'm gonna repair it, and then bring you along for some fun. Or some teaching. Or some just general quackery. So, alright. Got to see what the original problem is here. There it is. Look at that, I only scarred it about 10 times. Right here. She's got a twist in her. She broke there. 3/4 inch blade, my God. Whatever. I'm gonna be bitching on this whole thing. They must have had it on once before and shifted it down. We'll dress her up right. Yeah, we'll dress her up good. We'll make her nice. So that's what we do here. That's what Mike does. Okay, so that's one off. We'll knock them off. Gotta get this one off. It's a lot of carbon arc, and boy, the carbon arc these cracks. All this crap that was done before up here, they get rid of all that crap. Start fresh. Okay. So, look at that. Huh, they did that with wire feed. No shit. We're wire sticklers. Well, maybe not. That could be. Wow. Stick. No big deal. Alright, so the rest of the carbon arcing should be fairly easy. Got to get all these spots up in here. Cut everything loose. This here. Get it all new. Whoops. This I gotta cut loose. Gotta whack these off the top. Then I'll give the job to Troy to grind for a day. Get all the joints prepped. There, now I feel better. I actually got something accomplished today. But it's only half over, so we'll make this thing work yet. But it's snowing again. Go figure. Excuse me, I half expect my dad to be out here shortly. Or longly. He's moved everything so he could hook onto his plow. Did I tell you my transmission is out in my Ford? My big one? Yeah, it works, it's just not, it's not right. It's slipping. So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna be pulling the welder out ASAP in the morning. Pulling the tanks out, pulling the tools out, taking it down to my buddy down there. I fixed that white semi for him. Maybe we can do a little horse trade. And by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but it's been pretty clear in here because I had both doors open about, I don't know, 6-8 inches. And yesterday I was carbon arcing in here. That's my fresh air intake. And for those of you who don't know, the floor is heated. So about an hour should be back up to where it belongs in here. So there. I'm gonna go take a break and I'll see if I can bring something back to you later. So what do you all think of that?